Among the rolling hills and grapevines of Monterey County, you'll find a windy road that leads you to an extraordinary collection like no other. It's a motorcycle rider's dream. I'm John Bartell, and this is Moto Talbott Museum in Carmel Valley. Located right off Carmel Valley Road in the heart of town, you'll find Bobby Weindorf and his curation of show-quality motorcycles.
It's probably the largest collection of motorcycles on the West Coast.
When Bobby says large collection, he means it. There's more than 180 different motorcycles from all over the world.
Japanese, Spanish, Mexican, British, another Spanish, Swedish.
The museum is named after founder Rob Talbott, but Bobby Weindorf is the curator, and it's his job to locate and repair the ever-growing collection of motorcycles. What is this thing?
Well, underneath this beautiful aluminum shell is just a Piaggio scooter.
If you can't tell, the museum doesn't conform to any one genre of motorcycle, but there is one thing all of these bikes have in common. They all have backstories.
It's all about the stories. I mean, even if they were just a plain bike, but there's some story about it, why we have it.
From old military motorcycles to award-winning race bikes, the previous owner's history becomes a part of the museum experience. This has got to create a lot of nostalgia.
Oh, people they lose their minds.
From the Moto Talbott Museum in the Carmel Valley, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the back road.